All right, so this is Wednesday math, and the first page I put up is an extra credit, kind of a warm-up one. You don't have to do it, but I'm going to do a few problems on it just to help you warm up with you. And then the full credit work is pages 252 of your math journal, or you can work on them here, and 253 of your math journal. So first off, the whole focus is finding patterns. And so let's zoom in a little bit here so we can see this better. See if we can, there we go. It says fill in the pattern and the rule. And so when we get to the pages in the math journal, we're going to need to do that. So let's practice it here. So let's see, 2, 4, 6, well, pretty basic there, 8, 10, and then be thinking about the rule. How do you get from one number to the other that works every time? That's a rule. So the rule for the rule is it's got to work every time. So going from 2 to 4, from 4 to 6, from 6 to 8, and all of them, always adding 2. So that's the rule, add 2. Jumping down, let's go down to letter D. 90, 80, 70, well, 60, 50, 40. And of course, the rule is we're going down by how much? Obviously, by 10. So we're taking away 10. Doesn't always have to be adding and subtracting on these. There could be some multiplying happening too. So I haven't looked at the others, but you will. All right, draw a square array with 4 dots. So it's got to be square and it's got to have dots. So I don't know, how can I make it thicker? I don't know what this thing is, but I'm going to try it. So a square array with 4 dots. Now that's pretty ugly looking. So it's not ugly, but it's not working. I don't know how I can get a broader tip. Let's try this. So dot, dot. If I could go across, well, that wouldn't really work. So I need to make it a square array. So an array has elements in it, parts in it, dots or little squares or however you want to do it. And this one has got dots, and I made it square. Draw a square array with 9 dots. Well, okay, the only way to make it square is to go like so and have the same number across, as, and that's really not very good looking, is it? But since we're in a hurry here, I don't want to take up too long on the video. I'm going to keep it that way. So kind of square. Draw a square array with 16 dots. I'm going to leave for you. What should the next square array? So let's see. We went with 4, 9, 16. So you have to figure out what the next square one would look like. So, and you also have to do B and C and explain how you know what array for problem 2D should look like. That one. So you're going to have to figure out how to get to that one. And you all are real good at getting patterns and all that, especially if you try hard. Good luck with that part. And I think that's going to be it, because once you get over to here on the math journal pages, you can figure out, it says draw the next 3 rectangular numbers. Well, you can see how things are going here. You can see this connection if you're looking at the screen carefully. How did you get your answers? How did you figure it out? Okay, continue the following patterns. 2 equals 2. Okay, that's easy. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Oh, 2 plus 4 plus 6 equals 12. You'll figure it out, I betcha. Okay, and then if you're really looking to push yourself, there's a lot of words here, but you can figure out what these patterns are if you try. What patterns do you notice? Okay, good luck out there.